How about it out there, 18-wheelers? Any of you truck drivers awake?
10-4 there, darling. Right back at you. What's your handle, honey?
This is Lonesome Lover, baby. Who am I talking to?
Breaker. Smokey's got him a four-wheeler northbound on 65, just past that Shelby Street exit there, boys.
Smokey's out there everywhere, but I got ears and I don't care, and I'm really making time. You won't catch me running late, back road or interstate, since I got this CB radio of mine. Nixon says be thrifty and drive a nifty 50, but I've got hungry mouths to feed. Rent to pay and my oh my, a trucker's life is do or die, and besides my baby's waiting up for me.
You still out there, Lonesome Lover?
10-4.
That wasn't you out there in that four-wheeler flirting with Smokey, was it?
Negatory there, baby. Who am I talking to?
Breaker, heads up out there, truck drivers. Smokey's got him an 18-wheeler. That boy must not have no CB radio in that truck. I caught Pickers eastbound on Bluegrass Parkway just past the Barstown ramp there. Smokey's got him one out there, boys. Heads up trucking and three's on you.
If you've been getting beat to death by a rig that rides like it's been wrecked, get yourself an air seat and a CB radio. If you've been watching taillights flash and eating diesel fumes from fools who drive like they've got a brother in the White House, get yourself a set of ears, join in on all the jokes and cheers that we send out to Smokey all the time. Let us know just where you are out there behind that monkey bar, so we can keep you posted all the time.
How about it out there, baby? You lost your ears?
Negatory there, Lonesome Lover. What's your 20?
Just past that eggplant there. I think I'm gonna catch you in a minute.
Breaker.
Come on, Breaker.
Looks like that cotton picker's got your Lonesome Lover out there, quick draw.
Set you on the other end out there, Slewfoot.
10-4 there, quick draw. What's your 20?
I'm just about 4 miles from that 76 truck stop there at exit 49. I'll meet you for a cup of coffee.
10-4 there, Slewfoot. Sounds good.
When the sun goes down, so will I. As I got out of bed today, I swore I'd not give in. Today's the day I'd end this life of honky-tonks and sin. I beg the Lord to help me just to get by. When the sun goes down, so will I. When the sun goes down, so will I. The more I drink, the lower I go as I get high. I'm weak enough to drink each night, but too strong a man to cry. When the sun goes down, so will I. My wife and my babies are 1,000 miles from me. The youngest one, the oldest three, and one just in between. I'm thankful that my loved ones are not where they can see what this loneliness and pain have done to me. When the sun goes down, so will I. too strong a man to cry when the sun